in front of me an IR remote control extender, and it's USB powered. It's available with low cost postal option directly from freetv.ie. This is a great product. The basic idea of this is that you have a device, whether it be a set-top box, a DVD player, something like that, and you want to have it in an out-of-sight location, but you want to be able to control it directly from your remote control. Well, the idea is that we'll be able to use this sensor, powered off a USB, and still be able to control the remote or the set-top box by simply aiming the remote control at the sensor here. Now, I'm going to give a demonstration of how we'd use it here. It's not real life in terms of I don't have to connect to a television or anything like that to demonstrate it, but you see the basic idea. So basically what you're getting is this cable here and a little sticky pad. The little sticky pad is to allow us to actually attach this sensor here normally to the top of your television, so normally a flat screen TV. So let's take a scenario where we have this set-top box, and what we want to do is we want to have it in a little cabinet or an out-of-the-way area, and we have a nice flat screen TV on the wall. We want to be able to aim our remote control at the television, which will pick up a signal, send it to the set-top box to change channels, whatever like that. So what we have is we have the cable here that I've unfurled here. You can see the overall length of it here. So this is one sensor here. There's a USB cable here, and there's a second sensor here as well. So the way we do this is, normally we'd be using the USB port that'd be on the side of your television. You push in this cable here, the USB cable into it, and now you have power in the little piece of circuitry here. And you get a little sticky pad, and you'd stick this directly on top of the television, and this is what you'll be aiming your remote control at. And on the other end of this cable here, we have actually the longer of the two cables here. It's about 1.5 meters, 2 meters long. What we'll do with this is we'll bring this over to where we have the set-top box hidden, we'll say in a cabinet. And we'll position this just directly in front of where the IR sensor on the set-top box is. And all of a sudden, when we aim the remote control at this sensor here, the signal comes in here, runs down through this cable and pops out here, and then it goes directly into the thing and it says turn the box on or change channels or turn up the volume or do whatever else you want. So it's a really neat solution. Now the other way people approach this problem when they're trying to do IR sensors and things like that is they try to do it through a 3.5 millimeter design, but the problem with that is there's not always a 3.5 millimeter input on all set-top boxes. There isn't a lot, but not all. But this just makes it completely flexible. There's almost no device out there that this won't work on, because all we're doing is we're saying we're picking up the signal here and we're going to relay it through the box, through this cable here. So once it's powered by a USB, and the USB could be a USB on the box, on the television, or it could be like literally the USB charger that you'd have for your phone, something like that on the wall directly to it. It's just relaying that signal from this point to this discrete location where you have your set-top box hidden. So that's it anyway, an overview of the IR remote control extender, USB powered, that's available directly from freetv.ie.